Hi, I'm Darren.
I'm Shelley. We've chosen early retirement and a life of freedom, adventure and the unknown.
So for the next few years we're going to be travelling around our beautiful country of New Zealand in our caravan, and then at a later stage some more overseas travel.
So subscribe and come along with us as we embark on our next adventure.
So we just come for a bit of a drive up here, just north of Coromandel, up here to Otautu Bay. I just wanted to come up here and have a bit of a look because you can stay here in the Otautu Bay farm park, which is, I don't know whether the camera will pick it up, but it's all the caravans over there that we drove past. There's like a farm camp over there you could stay at. So yeah, I just wanted to have a bit of a look at that, but yeah, it's certainly a beautiful spot. Kids over there busy swimming. Yeah, it's very nice. You can see there's actually more caravans over that side there as well. So whether that might be part of the park there as well, I'm not sure.
Lots and lots of sheep waiting to be shorn.
So we decided to carry on up from Otautu Bay and bring you right up here to Port Jackson, which is at the tip of the Coromandel Peninsula. So yeah, it's been a few years since I've been up here, but it's still absolutely just as beautiful. And check that out, it's just stunning. Yes, and so this is a dock camp up here. I'll just go over here and we'll just have a look how long you're allowed to stay. Yeah, so it's a pack in, pack out camp. There's no rubbish facilities or anything here. There are a few long drop sort of type toilets here. So it's $15 for adults. And no dogs. It's a big no-no up this way is dogs. So it's a bit unfortunate for us because we have Reva with us. So she can't go out and run on the beach. Oh, and the various different camp locations along here you can stay at. Yeah, very cool. What an awesome place. Yeah, so here's a map here, it gives you some idea. We were staying in Thames down here, and then we came up to Waiumu and stayed there for a couple of nights, and then at Tapu, and we're currently in Coromandel town. And then today we've just come all the way up here, right the way up here to Port Jackson. So that's where we are at the moment. And yeah, you can go drive around to Fletcher Bay from here, and then there's a walking track which joins through here to Stony Bay. You can't drive all the way around the peninsula. Yeah, so it looks like you can book this camp through the Department of Conservation, or presumably you can just turn up here as well and find a spot. I'm not 100% sure on that. And yeah, it's $15 a night, but I haven't seen anywhere that you can pay unless you book online. There's no Iron Maiden or anything over there to put any money in, so I'm not sure quite how they work that. Yeah, so we carried on over the hill, and this is Fletcher Bay. And there's another dock camp here you can stay at as well. Another absolutely beautiful spot. Yeah, so this is another pack in, pack out camp run by DOC, Department of Conservation. And yeah, same again, $15 a night. You can pay on the app. Yeah, book online on that website. And yeah, happy days. Beautiful spot. They've got a couple of toilets here. Oh no, these might be showers actually. I think this one might be a shower. I'll have a look. Yeah, shower there. So you can put your do they actually have water on? Yeah, they do. So cold water showers, and a couple of toilets up there. And then down the bottom over there where we came in, there's some more toilet blocks and shower blocks over there as well. So yeah, nice place to stay. And this is remote. I mean, I think it's probably, in fact I'll measure it on the way back and tell you how far it is up to here, but it's probably maybe 50 or 60 kilometres up from Coromandel town. And there's no phone signal or anything up here either, so it's very, very remote. But a beautiful spot. It just might be a little bit difficult pulling the caravan up here, so we wouldn't entertain that. But if you had a tent or a small camper van, you could spend a beautiful few days up here. Oh, well, thanks very much for tagging along with us today on our trip up to the top of Coromandel. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Just as a side note, it was 28 kilometres from here to the start of the gravel, and then it was another 32 kilometres right to the very tip. So yeah.
And thank you to all our subscribers. Welcome to all our new subscribers. We hope you're really enjoying our videos. So don't forget to please give it a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. That will help promote our channel. Yeah, excellent. Thanks very much, guys. We will see you in the next one. Bye. See ya.